Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I have another What I Eat in a Day gluten-free. If you guys have missed any of my other What I Eat in a Day videos or just my gluten-free videos, what was that? I like squeaked. I will have all of those linked in a playlist either up here or down there, over there, somewhere. I will have a playlist for you guys that have all my gluten-free videos so you guys can check out every single one or just one that interests you. So if you guys would like to see what I eat in a day gluten-free, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is gonna be a straight carb day. In my other video, I was talking about how I don't like to eat a lot of bread in one day, but today is the day. So this is honestly the only gluten-free pancake mix that I actually like, and I've tried a bunch of them, but for some reason they always turn out like gummy, and I don't know. So what I do is I just follow the directions on the back of the box, nothing fancy. And I like waffles more than I like pancakes. So I bought this little waffle maker from, I think it was like Walmart. It's super easy, quick, simple. I just, I don't like to dirty like a huge waffle maker. And it's usually just me eating breakfast anyways, because my husband's usually gone and at work at this time. So I just make them as normal. You guys can fluff them up, do whatever you want to them, add, chocolate chips or blueberries or whatever. But today was just a quick day. It was just trying to get something in the system, and that way I can do whatever I needed to do the rest of the day. But yeah, so Krusteaz gluten-free pancake mix. Promise, this one's really good. If you guys are having a hard time finding one, this one is so good. And then I thought that I had a clip of me pouring the syrup and making it look all nice and fancy and juicy, but I guess I lost that clip, or I didn't press record when I was doing it. One of the two. But instead, I'm going to actually include me eating a little clip here since I never do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one and give it a try. Like I said, if you guys are having a hard time finding a nice recipe, this one, so freaking good. And now we're gonna make our own little personal pan pizzas. This one, honestly, I love it the best, but we're gonna start off with cooking up some sausage. Some ground sausage. This is just the brand from like Walmart. You guys can get whatever sausage you like, or if you want to skip the sausage, that's completely fine, or whatever meat lovers type of pizza you like. But we just cook it up, and then me and my husband do our own separate ones. And usually for me, this lasts me about like 3 days because I only eat like 2 pieces at a time. But for him, this is usually dinner, and then he'll take it to work for lunch. But Scar, I always mess up their name, and I'm sorry because I love your freaking brand. Even their pizza crust, I talk about them all the time in my videos. They are so good. Try their pizza crust. It is freaking amazing. And then usually I do Classico pizza sauce, but today they didn't have it at the store, so we just did the normal Great Value. All of them are gluten-free. And mozzarella cheese. If you guys like any other cheese, go ahead and add it. My husband does normal pepperoni, and I do the turkey pepperoni. If you've watched my videos, normal pepperoni, normal bacon, stuff like that, they give me really bad heartburn. So I just do the turkey pepperoni, and they taste the exact same. Then we cut up some mushrooms, bell peppers, onions. I think my husband does pineapple on his pizza. Yeah, I know. If you guys want to give him crap in the comments, go ahead, give him crap. I really don't care for sweet pizza, but that's why we make our 2 separate ones. And then I do olives, and I want to say that's it. Usually what you're going to see right here, I'm just going to show you the process of how we make our own pizza. Like, this is literally what we do. Usually we have this for dinner, but today we had this for lunch. And I do the sauce, and then I put crushed red peppers because I like that little bit of spiciness to it. And yeah, so I will show you guys, or let you guys watch how we make our own personalized pizza. This is a great option if you guys have kids and stuff who maybe are having a hard time going gluten-free, or your family and stuff is trying to go gluten-free with you. This is perfect. Like, honestly, my husband, He doesn't eat gluten-free all day. Most of the time he has gluten. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, hi. I am not celiac. I am GERD. I have GERD, so my rules are a little bit different than you guys'. Mine's more of like an upper GI issue, not a lower. But I eat gluten-free because I bloat and all kinds of other stuff. I haven't been tested for celiac. I have been tested for GERD though. So yeah, there's a whole bunch that goes in with this. If you guys want a more in-detailed video, I'll do that. But so he'll eat gluten-free sometimes, and the pizza most of the time it is because he doesn't mind the crust, like he actually likes it. And so yeah, so other than that, if you guys are having a really hard time getting anybody to eat gluten-free, or you know, just are trying to find easier recipes for like kids, because I know they could be picky sometimes, this is a really good option. I'm not kidding. Give it a try. So freaking good. And you guys can add whatever you want to it. Literally make it your own thing, and you don't have to pay extra at, you know, other pizza restaurants to add, you know, extra toppings or to make it a gluten-free pizza. And then we set the oven to 350 and we cook it for about 45 minutes, I want to say. Honestly, we just kind of babysit it. We'll kind of keep opening it, seeing if the cheese is melted, if the crust is cooked. So it's completely up to you. Just make sure you keep an eye on it and it doesn't burn. And then this is how they turn out. Like I said, own personalized pan pizza is so good. For me, this lasts a few days. For him, not so much. But yeah, I definitely recommend this one for sure, because it's really good for, you know, kids and stuff like that. Or if you just love pizza, really good. And finally, we can have pizza without it being, well, worrying about it being cross-contaminated. I can't talk today. And the last one is hamburgers. I love hamburgers, and once again, it's going to be the Scar buns. I'm telling you, I love this brand with all my heart, but we just did some normal frozen burgers. We were kind of, you know, low on monies at the time, and we just seasoned them up. Kind of the same thing as a normal hamburger whenever you're making it any other time. And then we toast the buns and just put it all together. For the French fries, I actually bought French fries this time. Usually I will do them myself. Like, I'll get potatoes and cut them and make them. If you guys have seen, I want to say it's my gluten-free lunch video, I make poutine, and that's kind of what I do whenever we make burgers. Like, I'll make my own French fries. But today we had ran out of potatoes, and I think we had to run down the store for something, so I just grabbed, like, you know, a frozen French fries. But you have to be careful because some of them are not labeled gluten-free, so just be on the lookout for that. And yeah, this is the normal day-to-day type of, if I'm in a mood for a burger and I want a bun. There are some restaurants, which I am going to be doing a fast food and restaurant video, all gluten-free options at each of these restaurants, so stay tuned for all of that. That I'm working on. It's going to take me a while though, because it's a lot of work on this one. But yeah, if you're ever craving a burger, this is it. We had found this new sauce to put on the burger, and it was like a secret sauce. It was really good. It was gluten-free. Usually for me, I like a Famous Star from like Carl's Jr., so I like the mayo and the ketchup and mustard and stuff. So it's up to you. Just make sure your sauces are completely gluten-free, and then do your own little toppings. When I'm done, or actually it's not me who's making it, it's my husband who's making it, but when we're done, look, it like doesn't look like a Krabby Patty. Did I do that right? I'm annoying. Okay, bye. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.